Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just showing you how I started braiding my hair, and as you can see, they're not perfect. I thought it was perfect, but it's not. But yeah, I tried to just part my hair in half, and I did one side, then going up, and then I did the other side. That way I tried to keep them as even as possible. So as you can see, I'm just taking my tail comb and I am just going to part my hair and try to do it as neat as possible. I try to warn everyone in the beginning of my braiding videos that I'm not a professional, and this is literally like my first time trying this, so I can be your practice dummy. So you can learn from my mistakes. So what I'm doing is detangling the section, and I did blow dry my hair a little bit. Yeah, and then I'm using some edge control just to neaten up the section. So what I'm doing is I started braiding my natural hair, and I do take this down a little bit, and that will give it that natural knotless effect to make it look like it's growing from your scalp. So as you can see, I take a small piece of braiding hair and I add it to the middle section of my hair. So every time I'm adding a piece of hair, I add it to the middle section. That way it just goes right in with the pattern that I braid my hair in. So I just add it to the middle section, then take it back around. And as you can see, I'm not adding too much hair because I do want it to kind of like flow, and I don't want it to be too heavy. So I'm adding small pieces, but the hair is pretty long, so I'm just adding some towards the end of my braid. Now we're gonna try this again on another section of hair, and as you can see, I'm just braiding my natural hair down, and I just try to do it as flat and in the direction that I want my braids to lay. So you don't have to do a middle part. If you want to lay your hair to the side, you can also braid in that direction. But as you can see, I'm just adding in the braiding hair, and I'm adding piece by piece by piece. And once again, guys, this is my first time doing this, so don't judge. So guys, I'm just showing you a big mistake that I made. I used two different braiding hair because I ran out of my model jumbo braid, and I had to use the Sassy collection from Sally Beauty, which you should never go to get braiding hair, by the way. So as you can see, that side had so many flyaways. It was too silky, so I definitely would not recommend getting too many silky braiding hair for this style. So as you can see, I'm using some medium-sized perm rods just to add some curls to the end. You could get some curly braiding hair and add it to the end, but like I said, I ran out of hair and I had to go get these. So this worked out very well for me. I actually really loved how it came out. So I'm just using the perm rods, and I'm just gonna put that on a big chunk of hair. I didn't use too much. It was like 6 of them, so yeah. Guys, so I took some boiling water in a little plastic bowl, and I just added the perm rods, and as much of the braiding hair as possible, and this will help it to stay down and form those curls. Then I took my towel with some of that hot water and kind of like pressed it on the top of my hair. And as you can see, the curl formers, they worked so well. The perm rods, sorry, they worked so well and gave me some beautiful waves. And I started to just trim the bottom of my hair and to take that excess hair off. Then I am going into my edges, nothing serious, just to neaten up the front of my hair. And literally, guys, that's all I did. It came out so well, and I didn't have to pay anybody to do it. It was so lightweight and really quick. It only took me about an hour to do this, so definitely recommend this to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.